Hi guys, this video is a little different today. Since we've been doing these tours for a year now, which I absolutely love and you guys love too, I decided to poll my top 10. Let me know if you agree in the comments, and I hope you've enjoyed them as much as I have. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and don't forget to share this video with friends.
I think this is a good deal because you get all this property, all this land. You know, for somebody that wants to have sort of a mini farm, this is great.
Number 10 is a giant renovation project.
This property is a rustico with a lot of land. There is an olive grove. So it's a main house, and then there are 2 outbuildings as well. You can just literally take this all down, save all the rocks to use in your future project.
I would repurpose what is now the main house and make that into a guest quarters, and probably build a new house for myself and my family to live in.
125.000 euro.
Okay, so that's not bad, 125. Wow, great view, great terrace, this is great. You could just buy this house for 125,000 euro. You wouldn't have to do a thing. This is very livable. So if you're not into renovating, this is a great house too. Boom, chicka, boom, boom. Yeah, hot tub.
Number 8 is a property that's down the road from us.
Quanto costa questo?
Totale 90.
Totale, no, just questo.
Totale
You've
della
never said
proprietà.
that before. We can buy it pieces. Okay.
390.
Okay. Wow, that view is amazing. Great floor, great wall, very charming. You know, it kind of reminds me of like a sort of an alpine house. It just has that alpine feel. For somebody that wants this incredible view in a cute village with a pool and a sauna, yes, please. This is a very cool project for somebody for 90,000 in the middle of the city. Oh, this is really nice. Wow, I really like this house. This is so pretty. It has like this pretty outdoor area. So this was a store. Oh, he's trying to open it. He's so cute. I mean, I love him. He's so adorable. Anyway,
Wow.
so, oh, ciao.
My friend Liz literally flew over the ocean to come look at this property.
Yeah, I think that at some point I'm gonna make an offer on that.
I'm so excited. Okay.
Number 6 is our friend's stunning apartment in Florence. It is completely move-in ready in the most fantastic neighborhood.
It's away from the tourists.
Okay.
It's still within the walls. It's a very sought after neighborhood
I
because
kind
it's
of feel
quite
like
quiet.
you're right. Maybe I should buy this apartment. The cool thing about these apartments is that the ceilings are really high, and Italians are very efficient with design. The dimensions are good, so you don't feel like it's a tiny apartment. You just feel like it's very livable and open. I love it. I might get that checkbook. Oh, let's buy this.
Wow.
He knows. He said, Annette, you're gonna like this. And I love it. Oh my God.
Number 5. This house is a cottage, and it is being purchased by our friends Liz and Jenny.
Yeah, okay.
This is happening.
Okay, so don't show it to anybody else.
Yeah,
Vediamo.
this is ours.
No vediamo.
Sì, lo so.
Stop it with the vediamo. He always says that and it's something terrible. It's like some terrible news.
I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about it. Yeah, this is really fun. I'm really surprised. I wasn't expecting this.
Number 4 on our tour of my favorite homes is a house that is in a gorgeous borgo.
Noi siamo a Terenzano, Borgo
Terenzano, I have
Antico.
a very hard time saying that. It's a
Terenzano,
Terenzano.
giardino.
Oh, this is so cute. just picture this very chic older woman buying this and renovating it and just having this lovely, serene place. Very romantic house.
Number 3 for me is a house that is actually not far from La Fortezza in a very, very charming Borgo.
As far as buying it, it's like 150,000 euro. Just looking at this, it's $1 million. Look up at this house. I mean, it is awesome. It's a party house, don't you think?
It is a big project, so it's a big house with lots of bedrooms. I would not hesitate to put an offer in on this house. And then there's an opportunity to buy a smaller building next door, which I would definitely buy for like 20,000 euro. It's been sitting abandoned for a while, so I'm thinking you could probably get it for a song. And it really spoke to me. It just had great vibes.
This is so pretty. But it's just like, it's totally like abandoned beauty. Oh my God. This is so cool, this photo. Look at this photo. Look at this photo. It's beautiful. It's like a set. It's like a theatrical set. I can't. It's so good in here. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my God. Oh, damn, girl. Jeez, that's cool.
Pizza, pane e focaccia.
Oh, this is a cute kitchen. We love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Federico, beautiful. So, e questo qua?
Questo è di proprietà.
I absolutely adored this place, and I would go back, look at it again, and most likely make an offer on it.
Yeah, you don't rip any of this stuff out, people. Oh my God. I don't think I could sell it. I think I'd want to drop dead in here. That's where I want to die, right here. We might buy it today. Don't film this.
No, film.
He's
okay?
like, no, film it. I love it. And the views are so fabulous out. The windows are so great. Oh my gosh, so cute.
Number 1 for me is this 5-bedroom move-in ready house in this gorgeous little Borgo. I absolutely adore this house. It has a garage, which is really cool. It has a very unique entrance. It has a beautiful garden, and I was actually consider buying this house.
I mean, this is just great.
Meraviglioso.
I don't even know what to say.
There was a little problem with the pool, and unfortunately the owner would not budge on the price, and I wasn't going to buy it unless I could rebuild the pool. This is my number 1 choice of houses that I would buy that we've toured.